Good morning, students. Moving on to the last topic of adjectives kinds, it is interrogative adjective. So let's start learning interrogative adjectives now. So let's begin studying it. The interrogative adjectives, the topic given on page number 12 of your grammar book. Beginning with the definition, words like whose, which, and what that are used before nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. Here you see these words will ask some questions given to you in the statement. Their words will be like whose, which, what, and etc. So let's study interrogative adjective with some examples. The first example is, what color is the postman's uniform? Here color is a noun and the word used before color is what, hence it is a interrogative adjective. The second illustration is, which is the tallest tree? Here the tree is a noun and the word asking the question is which. Therefore, which is an interrogative adjective used in this question. I repeat, which is the tallest tree? The third example is, whose book is this? Here book is a noun and the word used before book, it is whose, is an interrogative adjective. The fourth example is, where did you keep the pen? Here question is asked, where is the pen kept? And it is asked by the word where. Therefore, where is an interrogative adjective in this question. The fifth example is, how is your mother now? Here somebody has asked about your mother with the word how. So it is an interrogative adjective, that is how. The sixth one example is, why is she unhappy? Here she is a noun and something related to she is asked with the word why, hence it is an interrogative adjective. So students, turn on your page to page number 13 and there you will see a differentiate between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun on the top, isn't it? So we'll study it with some other examples in the video, and for the betterment your book has referred with you some examples too. Here the differentiate begins. First, interrogative pronouns can stand alone, whereas adjectives cannot stand alone. Interrogative pronouns replaces a noun, that is a work of pronoun itself. But interrogative adjective modifies a noun, that is it tells us something more about an adjective. Then interrogative adjective are generally followed by a noun or a pronoun, and here interrogative pronouns are generally followed by a verb. Now finally we will study only interrogative adjectives that describes a noun already here with some examples. Okay, what music are you playing? Here the red ones are noun and the number before them and the word before them is interrogative adjective. So let's read the sentences one by one. Okay, first one, what music are you playing? Music is a noun and what is a interrogative adjective. Which girl is that? Which child is going with me? To which person did you give the money? Here the words like music, girl, child and person are the nouns and the word before them, what, which and to which are the interrogative adjectives type. Thank you.